Daunte Wright's girlfriend taking the witness stand today as the Kim Potter trial continues in court. She was in the car next to Wright when he was shot and killed.
Her testimony highlighting another emotional day in Potter's manslaughter trial. Paul Bloom leading our coverage here. He joins us now. So Paul, more testimony and more tough to watch video from that deadly scene.
And let's start, Amy and Kelsey, with some late developing news as Judge Regina Chu just denied in the last hour a defense motion for a mistrial, with much of the evidence and testimony on Thursday focusing on events after the traffic stop shooting of Daunte Wright, meaning the car crash and subsequent emergency and medical response. Now, they argue it's prejudicial and has nothing to do with the manslaughter allegations at the heart of this case that is already proving to be emotionally overwhelming for so many.
Just trying to scream his name, and I was just trying to have him talk to me, and just kept saying, Daunte, like, Daunte, like, just say something, please, like, just talk to me.
Daunte Wright's distraught girlfriend, Alayna Albrecht-Payton, taking jurors into the Buick right after the shooting. Frantic, the 20-year-old Payton attempted to apply pressure to the gunshot wound, but there was nothing she could do. She recalled just how anxious Daunte had been when he was first pulled over.
He was really scared. Like, I've never seen him like that before. Because, if you know Daunte like this, he's just really happy, he's positive, and you can't really be like sad or depressed or angry or mad around him. And like, he was just like, just so nervous and flustered. And
after the young woman's testimony, jurors watched more law enforcement video from the chaotic events that unfolded in Brooklyn Center that Sunday afternoon in April. Wright and Payton's car speeding off wildly from the traffic stop shooting and slamming into an elderly couple heading the opposite direction. Put your hands up! Police then holding the Buick at gunpoint for several minutes, confused about what had happened. Kim Potter and fellow officers at the initial scene a block away apparently never radioed with an update.
Could you describe the injury that you observed?
A single gunshot wound that appeared to have entered from the left side and exited on the right side.
Did you feel a pulse when you checked his pulse?
I did not.
Wright was eventually pulled out onto the ground. Emergency life-saving measures unsuccessful. His girlfriend, who suffered a broken jaw in that crash, still reeling some 8 months later.
I replay that image in my head daily. It's like,
okay, I'm going to stop you right there for just 1 second. Take a breath.
As for defense efforts at a mistrial here, prosecutors counter that what happened after the shooting goes right to the recklessness of then-Officer Potter's conduct that day and the subsequent deadly fallout. Interesting to note here, Judge Chu announced that court will resume later tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., when it typically begins at 9 o'clock. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
All right, Paul, remember Fox 9 is airing gavel-to-gavel coverage throughout this trial. We'll be streaming it live on fox9.com and on our YouTube page on Fox 9.